હેલો ગુડ મોર્નિંગ ટુ ઓલ. કેમિકલ રિએક્શન એન્જિનિયરિંગ સબ્જેક્ટની અંદર આપણે સોલિડ કેટલિસ્ટ રિએક્શન્સ યુનિટ ડિસ્કસ કરતા હતા. So in the chapter number 5 solid catalyst reaction, in which we discuss about the types of catalyst, what is the definition of catalyst and characteristic of catalyst we discussing. Now another topic is that experimental method to determining the rate, which are the experimental method which can through we can easily determining the rate. Okay, so rate of the reactions. Now the following experiment, so let me start a experimental method, which is following experimental reactors are used to obtain kinetic data of catalytic reactions. This reaction is reactors are used to obtain kinetic data of catalytic reactions. These types of data are required to determine rate law parameters. जो भी पैरामीटर होते हैं वो कहाँ पे यूज होता है? This one is used as in the data are used in the are determined required to the used in the रिएक्शन ऑर्डर. रिएक्शन का ऑर्डर फाइंड करने के लिए यूज करते हैं. एंड द कांस्टेंट रिएक्शन कांस्टेंट. So these types of data are required to determine the rate law parameters and reaction order and rate constant. Okay. In other words, in other words, to obtain the complete rate equation for a given catalytic reactions consideration, here is the experimental strategy is to measure the extent of conversion of the passing in steady state flow through a batch of solid catalytic particles. Okay, in this in here the experimental strategy for rate determining is that what is to measure the extent of conversion of passing in steady state flow through which through a batch operation of solid catalyst particle. Okay, in this reaction only one that phase in present and hence rate can be found by a way similar to that adopted to the homogeneous reactions. So this one is a experimental reactor, which one is a differential or a flow reactor. Second one is integral or a plug flow reactor. Third one is a mixed flow reactor. Fourth one is a batch reactor. Okay, now so integral, it can be as well as say it is a plug flow reactor, mixed flow and a batch reactor. So batch of catalyst and batch of fluid. बैच रिएक्शन के अंदर क्या होता है कि बैच ऑफ फ्लूइड एंड बैच ऑफ कैटलिस्ट. In this reaction only one fluid phase is present, and all this reaction fluid is present in only one phase. Now next is differential reactor. First one we can see a flow reactor. So how can we determine flow? A differential reactor in which differential reactor is normally used to determine the rate of reaction as a function of initial or entering concentration of reactant. So this one is the main application or a used of the differential reactor. Differential reactor is used to determine rate of reaction as a function of initial or entering concentration of reactor. ઇનિશિયલ એટલે કે શરૂઆતની કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન કે જે ફ્લુઇડની આપણે રિએક્ટરની અંદર જ્યારે પણ આપણે ફ્લુઇડને એન્ટર કરાવીએ છીએ ત્યારે એની અંદર જે આપણે ફ્લુઇડની જે કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન હોય છે उसको मेजर करने के लिए क्या होता है, डिफरेंशियल रिएक्टर यूज होता है। It consists of a tube, it containing a very small amount of catalyst. એની અંદર એક શું હોય છે, it containing a tube which having a very small and it which is from catalyst, which is a small amount of catalyst in the form of thin disc, in the form of thin disc. Here the change in the reactant concentration through the bed is catalyst is extremely small and the reaction rate is considered to be constant at all point with the reactor, and the performance equation for a differential reaction is given by this, is using this equation. This equation is a standard equation which is derived from a standard methods. Okay, so performance equation for a differential reactor you have to remember. So it is given by W by Fi0 is equal to F XA out minus XA in divided by minus RA dash average. And for RA dash average, which can be found in using this equation. So RA dash is equal to what exactly here? RA dash average is equal to ઉપરના ઇક્વેશન પરથી શું લખી શકાય આપણે, RA dash is equal to R dash average is equal to W by FA0. ओके, नाउ FA0 है तो उसको अगर हम ऊपर ले जाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, FA0 यहाँ की बात कर रहा हूँ, दिस इक्वेशन, तो इसके अंदर इसको ऊपर ले जाएंगे. ओके, डिवाइड एंड डिवाइड, दिस वन इज अ, so FA0 XA out minus XA in divided by W only. So basically it is the FA in minus FA out. Okay. The average rate of each run, the average rate of each run, that means the rate at average concentration is reactor is obtained by using this 6.66 equation. Okay, average equation. Okay, not average, this one is a only a equation. Okay, which can three we can find RADS. Now the average concentration, first of all the reaction rate average concentration is reactor is obtained by this equation. Okay, આ equation થી આપણે use કરી શકીએ છીએ average weight, average. Then a series of runs gives a set of rate concentration data which can there be analyzed to obtain a rate law equations, rate law or a rate equations. Then next, average concentration of reactant A within the reaction is given by this equation. Ca average equal to Ca in plus Ca out divided by 2. This equation is here. Okay, Ca average is equal to Ca plus in plus Ca out divided by 2. Stepwise procedure to obtain a rate equation. Now let us see the stepwise procedure. So stepwise procedure is that first conduct a series of runs using differential Ca, different concentration through આપણે શું find કરવાનું, using Ca. Okay, so then treat the highest Ca in as a CaO, highest CA in as a CAO and used in the basics of calculation like FA0, XA in and XA out. Then after third stage is that evaluate FA0, W, XA in, XA out and CA average from each run, each operation through we can find. Next, using equation 6.66 like this equation, calculate reaction rate for each run. जो भी ऑपरेशन हो रहा है उसके लिए that it should be consider or consider rate equation. Then turbulate rate, tubulate a tubulate rate that is minus R days and concentration data which is CA average. Okay, now apply the differential method for analysis of the rate data to obtain a rate equation. Okay, apply the differential method of analysis for a data to obtain a rate equation. In other words, it can be said as a to obtain a kinetic rate law parameters, order of reaction and rate constant. Okay. Now second type is that integral reactor. That means a pack bed reactors. So pack bed reactor, how can it can be defined as here the variation in reaction rate with a reactor is large owing to a significant change in the concentration of reactant along a flow path through the reactor. In this case, we may adopt either integral or a differential method of analysis. Okay, so in the variation, the reaction rate within this reactor, which having a large significant change in the concentration of the and reactant along with the reactor. In this case, we adopt integral or differential method. Integral, that means a pack bed reactor method. So integral analysis, integral method, this means a pack bed reactor. This method is suited for a testing simpler and rate expression. Here we guess a rate equation and put it to test by integrating the plug flow performance equation. Integral equation ને શું કરવામાં આવે છે આની અંદર simple used for testing simpler rate expression. Simple rate expression. Here we guess rate equation. અહીંયા આપણે શું કરવાનું હોય છે rate equation को guess करना होता है and put it to easy by integrating them plug flow reaction. And generally શું કરવાનું છે plug flow reactor સાથે એને integrate કરી દેવાનું હોય છે બરાબર. Now first there is a method which is conduct a series of runs in this experiment. Factor data is CA0 and with changing W and FA0, so the cover wide range of W by FA0 and XA out. Second, guess a rate expression to be tested and integral the plug flow performance equation after inserting the rate expression. So it is given by this equation W by FA0 is equal to 0 to integrating from 0 to XA dXA by RADS minus RADS. Okay, and equation third point, that is for each run evaluate numerically both side of above equation. Numerically it can be derived both side the data of both side. okay, left hand side as well as right hand side, the work as well as the concentration as well the static data. Then plot left hand LHS versus RHS, right hand side versus left hand side versus right hand side, प्लॉट करना है, ग्राफ को प्लॉट करना है, कंसिडर फॉर द इंटीग्रल एनालिसिस. ओके, तो evaluate numerically both sides, then after consider and plot versus left hand side versus RHS above equation and test for the linearity, and it can be test for the linearity purpose. Then it having a differential analysis. Okay, so that will be discussing in next lecture.